So this is a code for our autonomous drone. Pretty much we assigned the movements depending upon the sensors that the input sensors, if they were ones or zeros. And then here we assigned all of our inputs for fly, altitude, forward, up, right, and left. And then our outputs are telling the drone to go up, go forward, go right, go left, or land. And then now I'm going to show you the implementation of the code on the FPGA. So our first switch is fly. So fly, it means that the drone is clear to fly, and that first LED is on, and that first LED represents go up. So when it's first starting out, the drone is going to go up. Now once it gets to a certain altitude, it's going to get a 1. And when this switch, the altitude switch right here, when this switch goes on, then we're going to go into our second mode of operation, which is forward. So the drone has come up to its altitude that it wants to be at, and there's no obstacles in front of it, and so it's saying go forward. The next input that it's going to get is if it does reach an obstacle, then it's going to go back up. If it sees an obstacle in front of it, it's going to go back to the up position. So the first LED is going to go on, which is this right here. So right now it's going up, and it will continue to go up until it doesn't get a until it doesn't see a obstacle in front of it, in which case it goes back to forward. Now let's say for instance that the forward is blocked and also the up is blocked. This is my up switch right here, so it can't go up anymore because there's an obstacle there, so then it's going to go right, which is this third LED right here. Now let's say for instance the right sensor is picking up that there's something in the way. It's going to go left, which is my fourth LED, my fourth output. And then finally, if all the sensors are saying that there's nowhere for it to go, then it's just going to land, which is my fifth output. And that's pretty much it.